Let's weigh down the pros and cons of Blaze AI and Canva. Blaze AI focuses on automating content creation. It uses templates powered by AI to generate text, images, and full social media posts in bulk. You can paste a URL or RSS feed, and Blaze will instantly create posts with captions, hashtags, and visuals. It's designed for marketers or creators who want fast, consistent output without manual editing, and it also integrates with scheduling tools so content can be published automatically. Canva, on the other hand, is a design platform. It offers full control over layout, visuals, and text. You get drag and drop editing, thousands of templates, and real time collaboration. Canva's AI tools like Magic Write and Background Remover help speed things up, but they don't automate content from scratch. It's more hands on, with higher focus on visual polish. Choose Blaze AI if your goal is high volume, fast turnaround content with minimal input. Choose Canva if you want full creative control, visual customization, and design flexibility. Blaze is for speed, Canva is for quality.